Hello and welcome to Trading View Trades. What I want to show you here is how our software works with Forex. Right, this is EURUSD. Now you can make it whatever you want it to be. This is a bar replay. I'm not going to joke anybody about that. This is a bar replay. I'm just going to hit play here, and these are 5-minute bars. Okay, so as we go through here, what you're going to see is every one of these bars is a 5-minute bar. Now, as this comes in right here, it says it's going to give you a warning or a possible short. You can set that. Let me show you this right here. You go in here, you can set this and this to give you an alert on your phone. You can have a pop-up alert on the screen. You can have an alert show up over here. You can have an alert ring a bell for you. It can send you an email. You can send a text message. We'll get into all that some other time. But right now, I just want to let you know that this pop-up alert can be sent to many different places, right? And that's letting you know that you have a short to get ready for a shorting opportunity. Now, these are 5-minute bars, so you would have 5 minutes to get ready for that shorting opportunity. And you can see it hasn't happened in here yet. And we'll just go along until it does actually happen. This was, when you get a blue arrow like that, it suggests buying on the close of the bar. Now, what that means is the close of this bar is where you're going to buy. Your risk is going to have to be probably below the prior swing low, which would be down here. Okay? Risk means how much money you're going to risk on the trade. And it'll be that much is what you'd have to risk on the trade. Now, your targets, you'd have to start looking left for targets. Your first one would be here, your next one would be here, your next one would be here, your next one would be up here. Okay? It's just a simple way to look at things when you're trading. Let's just look through here, and this isn't even the signal that I really was trying to. When it switches in here and it goes to a short, and that's what I want you to see. All right, we already got the possible short. There it is again, the possible short, and there's the actual signal. Now look what it says to you. All right, you get the down arrow here that says sell short on bar close. This gives you an entry point right here. Now that's the close of the bar, is where that entry point is. All right, you got to try to get close to the bar, close to the close of the bar, not too far away. Your stop in this case could be right here. It could be as little as the top of that bar. It could also be up here at the top of the swing high. Whatever you want to do, you can do it that way. Now your target, your entry point would be the down close of this bar would be right here. Right, your initial target would be down here. This swing low, the next one would be right here. The next one possibly right there, and the next one all the way down here. Now I don't know how far this is going to go. In there, okay, so you got the first target right there, and I don't know if it's going to go down to the next one or not. Maybe not. Maybe. It looks like it's headed down there. I don't know if it gets all the way down there. But I'm just trying to illustrate for you here. Okay, it does go all the way down there. I'm just trying to illustrate for you here how these things progress. Now, these are 5-minute bars, so this is obviously going to take much longer than this. But when it develops and it's happening, you understand what's going on. All right. And eventually here, it's going to give you an opportunity to go in the other direction. It's going to reach the bottom of this, and it's going to give you an opportunity to go in the other direction. Now, think about this. This moved up here, and this had 100% retracement all the way down to here. Bigger picture stuff, this is probably a leg down with a smaller leg up with a bigger leg down. So what it should do is have probably a 50% retracement of this leg down and then go down some more is what it should do. I'm not exactly sure what it's going to do. That's just typical market things. Now it says potential long coming soon. It's letting you know when you get those blue bars, and there it is right there. So it gave you a couple of bars ahead of time. Now that is actually 20 minutes ahead of time right there that it gave you that. It gave you another one right here when you got this blue bar. It would have said potential long coming soon on that one. Now in this case right here, it says buy long on the bar close. So you buy long right there on the up close, and up it goes. Your risk would have to be down below right here, right? So whatever dollar value that is from up here to down here, right? That's what you would risk. So say buy long, and what was I saying a few minutes ago? Probably should get up to here at 50% retracement. I don't know if it's going to. It might not. That's what I'd be looking for. It doesn't look like it did. Look, okay. So right here, I'm going to pause it again. Right here, it said possible short soon, but it didn't actually give you the short. All right, you never got the arrow saying to short. It said there was one coming, but it didn't actually give it to you. All right, so now as you go through here, I think it might give one more trade here. It says possible short soon again, and it didn't give it to you again. Possible short soon again, still not giving it to you. Let's see if it does. There it is, right there. There, you finally got your shorting opportunity right here. Now your risk on this one, this might be a little more. It might have to be all the way up here. If you wanted to put a smaller amount of risk, it'd have to be right up here. Okay, right up above that bar right there. But to really keep you in the trade, you'd want to put it up there. Now the potential on this is down here to the bottom still. Okay, So now it's saying possible long, and it would have given you a long. So right there, that would have stopped you out. But then the long would have gotten you into the trade, and you could have taken some profit on that. All right, that's basically how it works. So it's going to get you into these trades in and out, and I'm just going to shut this replay thing off because I wanted to show you over here. If you want to set up the alert, you just click on those things right there. You can add alert, and in here you just add the alert. All right, hit create, and that'll add an alert right in here for you. The way that you turn the alert on and off within the indicator is you have to do this. Okay, turn it on and off right there within the indicator. And this right here, this is on a 5-minute chart, but you can do it on whatever time frame you want to. You can do it on a 30-minute chart if you want to. You see the same thing, long on bar close. This is where we currently are right now. It says possibly long coming soon, possible long coming soon. The last one was here, a short right there. Last one over here on the 14th was a long right there. Today is the 16th, by the way. There's a long right there that captured all of that move. There was a short right here that didn't give you anything, but you wouldn't risk much either. All right, you didn't have much of a risk on that, so you didn't lose much. But right here, you had a huge gain on that. Just wanted to show you all this, illustrate this for you. If you have any questions, you can email support@tradingviewtrades.com. Again, that's support@tradingviewtrades.com. All right, thanks for watching.